Good morning, friends. This is Danielle Pouncey coming to you with another live video all the way from Dallas, Texas. I hope everyone is having a great morning. Hope everyone is staying inspired, staying motivated, and staying positive this morning. So how is everyone this morning? How are you all doing? I see a few people hopping on. Hey Ed, good morning. Thanks for tuning in. Let me know where you're tuning in from, guys, once you hop on. And if you're catching this later on in the day, hashtag replay for me. Again, I hope you all are having a great morning. So guys, I wanted to hop on and do this quick live before I got my day started. I've been getting questions on a daily basis. Oh, you're tuning in from New Orleans? I'm from New Orleans too. So guys, I've been getting asked on a daily basis, how am I earning the money that I've been earning? So tonight is the night for you to find out more in depth about this amazing program that I've been a part of for the almost going on 3 months now. We're having a webinar tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 6 p.m. Central Time. And I want to invite you all out to be my guest tonight on the webinar. You're going to find out more in depth what this task-based business is about. And you're going to hear testimonials from all of the members who have been involved in this program. This week, the company is going to be paying out $50,000 in commissions, guys. $50,000. So if you're someone who is an affiliate marketer but haven't had your breakthrough yet, or you're looking to earn some additional income without recruiting, hi guys. I see you all hopping on. I can't see who's on though. Just let me know where you're tuning in from. If you're looking to earn some additional income, or you just want to know more about the program, just hop on tonight on the webinar. I'm going to leave the link in the comments, and it's also in my storyline. So if you have any questions, you can just message me and I will get back to you after I'm done with this live. Yeah, guys, this program has been amazing for myself and for a lot of people because we are earning consistently. It has taken, I know myself, a while to find a program that consistently pays. And so this program is just step by step, guys. It's so easy to understand. So again, I want to invite you all out tonight on the webinar. It's going to be packed again because it was packed last week. We had almost 350 people on the webinar last week. And I'm for sure that it's going to get to 400 people tonight. So, guys, I would like for you to be my guest. I would like for you to register for the webinar tonight. Again, it's at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. 6 p.m. Central Time. I hope to see you on tonight. I'm going to go ahead and end this live. I hope you all have an amazing day. And I will see you all on the webinar tonight. Bye.